Well, now we have all the parts clean, so we are ready to go. First of all, we're going to remove the old rubber seal to put a new one. Okay, here is the old one, and we're going to get a new one. Takes a little bit of pressure to make it totally flat in. Never use metal tools for this purpose because you can break the seal. Okay, now it's in the place, ready to go. So this one has a little particularity, is that this is screwed to the body of the lighter. So it's a bit tricky to put, but we will manage. Okay, because you have to put this little space must grip with that little dent over there. Okay, now we're going to put this bar. First, a tiny amount of lubricant in the hole. In the hole for this screw. Okay. Put it in place, this bar. Right. Okay. It's a bit tricky. Okay. Take it out a little bit. Okay, now we have it gripped and the screw in position. Okay, now this must be quite tight. Okay, perfect. Okay, make it grip properly. Okay, now this little spring, place it inside the hole. Okay, this part, remember to put the little bar pressing the black bar in the inside. So you see, this is what I was saying, to be sure that when you open the flint, the gas shuts also. in position. Okay, everything in the position. So now the spring wheel, this part, okay. The screw, don't put it totally tight on the first go. Okay, now the gas nozzle. Okay, okay. And now we tight this screw. Okay, Opa. Okay, perfect. Okay, the flint wheel, the pusher, the same as in the pocket version. Inside, the flint wheel, and a flint. We're going to try to see if there is any leak of gas. Where is, okay. Okay, there is leakage on the gas nozzle. Okay, but the lighter is working, but let me double check where is exactly the gas leak. Okay,